Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Maureen Makeup Artist. Today I'm bringing you this makeup look that I am wearing. Hope you like it. If you want to learn, get your makeup goodies out and let's go. Let's get started. So first thing first that you want to do after your skincare, obviously, is that you need a good primer. So I'm going to take a Mary Kay foundation primer, and all you need is a little bit. So this is how much I'm taking. Spread it out on your face, just like you would apply a moisturizer. I have hyperpigmentation around my lips. I am Middle Eastern. I am from Pakistan, so this is something genetic that's been passed on. We are very olive skin type people. I'm giving all the secrets out to you guys now. I will take a red or orangey type of red lipstick, and I will put just a little dab. And I usually, what I do is I mix it up with the other ring finger. What I'm doing here is I am color correcting my hyperpigmentation. The orangey red base is going to cancel the hyperpigmentation. Whatever is left on my fingers, I am also going to give my lips some pigment as well. And then I'm going to go in with a Mary Kay's CC cream. This is a color correction cream in the shade of medium to light. I am going to take a little pump of, I know I look super crazy right now, but bear with me. So I am taking a Morphe sponge, and I'm just going to take a little bit here on the back of it and then start applying it here. Correction, it is a beauty blender, not a sponge. And then just buff it into the skin. Now the CC cream has SPF 15 in it, so if I had to choose between a foundation and a CC cream, I would choose CC cream. Especially when I know that I will be out and about running errands or for a daily use. CC cream is your best friend. So you guys, less is more, so I really don't take more foundation except what's here, and then I'm just going to go in. If I could be honest, I don't use foundation every day, so I really just literally I just cover this area and then I go about my day. But just for the sake of the video, let me just do a little bit here. Said I use just one pump and I still have half a pump on the back of my hands, and I'm not going to use it, except what I'm going to do is take a little bit, just a little bit. This is how much I took. Since this is my problem area, I'm just going to go and double dab here. If you have under eye issues, like if your under eyes are dark blue, purpley shade, so make sure that you guys apply a color corrector. Now a color corrector comes in a peachy, pinky undertone. So Mary Kay has an under eye corrector that I'm going to use just a little bit to correct the undertones of my eye. So as you can see, I don't know if camera is catching it, but it's really peachy in real life. I'm going in with Mary Kay's concealer, deep beige, and I'm also going to mix light beige concealer. And you guys might want to note how I'm placing the concealer, because this gives you that lifted effect on your face. Next is Mary Kay's translucent powder. A little bit on the lid here. And then to set everything in here. Now that the face is all set, what we're going to do next is eyes. A Mary Kay eye palette, and I'm going to go in with a Sienna Skies color. So this is the color that I'm going to go in with. A fluffy brush like this, and I'm just going to go in, tap off the excess, and just go in. So all I'm doing in this step is I'm going over my eyes, under the brow bone obviously, but just windshield wiper motions on both eyes. Next is with the dark brown, which is Dream Big Brown, and it's with the same brush, and I'm just going to darken the ends, so create like a V, and just go ahead and do that. Illusion of a darker end. And then I'm going to take a much narrower brush, just like this. It is a dome shaped brush, and then I'm going in with the Sienna Skies, the first color again, and I'm going to run it along the lash line, very close to the lash line here, very close to the lashes, if you know what I mean. So see the difference between the both eyes. I'm going to tap off the axis, do the same. And I'm feeling where my lash line is, but I'm not even going enough in, so I don't want to poke my eye. Okay, and with the same brush, I'm going to buff out Bronze Horizon, and I'm just basically going to take it on my finger and then just apply it all over the eye. Same on the other side. I am just leaving the inner corner of my eye empty intentionally, because that's where I'm going to pop in another color. Eyeshadow in the shade of Rose Gold. It's also called Rose Gold. And then I'm just going to focus that on the inner of my eye, and see how instantly my eye just popped. This step really gives your eye that open, awake effect, even if it's early in the morning and you haven't had much sleep. Mary Kay's bronzer. And just giving myself a sun-kissed look here. And for the bronzer, I'm just going to focus on, you see where the natural hollow of my cheeks are? I'm going to go in above that. So I think this is It Cosmetics brush, I'm not sure. And then I'm also going to contour my nose a little bit here. I absolutely love the eyeshadow in the color Rose Gold. I use it to highlight my face all the time. That's exactly what I'm doing at my nose also. I didn't want the video to be 60 minutes long, so I'm just going to fast forward into my brows. But I promise you, I will film a separate tutorial just for the eyebrows for you guys really soon. Now that the brows are on, for the blush, Mary Kay came out with cream blush in 4 shades, and I love myself some peach blush. So this is what I do normally, almost every time I do makeup, or sometimes I just mix the two. So today I'm just going to call Dewy Peach with clean fingers, of course. This is my favorite part. I love buffing the blush with my fingers. You can also use a brush or sponge for this step, but why I like to use my fingers is because it becomes warm and it automatically melts into the skin, so it really looks like skin. These blushes have hyaluronic acid in it. After applying the blushes, wait for 15 minutes and you'll instantly see a plump suppleness that comes from within. So I really like that after effect. I'm going to use Mary Kay's Rose Gold eyeshadow to match with the rest of the face, because that's what I have going on the rest of the face as well. The highest points of the cheekbones then some on the brow bone. I'm connecting the two here, and then some on the cheeks here, the chin, Cupid's bow. I'm just going to use a Mary Kay's Blush Velvet. It is a matte finish lipstick. It is a nude color. It's got peachy undertones. Let me spray my face with Reviving Facial Spray here. So everything is done on the face except the lashes. So let me quickly do the lashes. Alrighty, you guys, this is the final look. So you guys, off camera, I got the lashes done. I made a separate tutorial for that. So if you guys want to know how I got these lashes, you guys can check out my video on Kisses Falscara Lash Extensions. So this is basically my everyday makeup. My lipstick may change every now and then. Base makeup pretty much stays the same. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, you guys. If you guys want me to film another tutorial or any requests that you guys may have, please make sure to comment down below. It helps the algorithms. It also helps me know what you guys are looking. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any future videos. Well, until next time, you guys, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.